So I'm done with training and I'm waiting for a truck, and I should get a truck by tomorrow. Just giving you guys a little update on my training and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give you guys an empty tour of the truck. So this is the Freightliner I will be driving. It's empty right now. It has 2 beds, by the way, up and down. This is a closet where you can store your stuff. There's also some storage up here. There's also some storage up here too. And some storage down here as well. Some water, stuff like that. And I'm probably gonna put a refrigerator right here or whatever. And then there's some, there's a storage case. You can store your suitcase down there and stuff and extra belongings, you know? So, yeah. And, I'll be headed to California. And after that, gonna head back to Texas. Just the steering wheel. So what do you guys think about the truck so far? This is the Qualcomm that we use to book our loads. Where am I headed next? Yeah, see? I already got a load assignment. Russellville, Kentucky. Current trailers. Yeah, so right now I'm moving all my stuff into the truck. Then I'm gonna head out. So y'all wish me luck. I was gonna drive the Volvo, but nah, I'm gonna do the Freightliner. The Volvo is empty now, but I like the Volvo because it's a lot bigger and stuff. And of course the bed is bigger and more space, more storage and all that. But yeah, I guess I won't. So comment down what you guys like. Which truck do you guys like? This one, which is the Volvo, or the Freightliner? I don't know which one I should choose, but you know, give me an idea and I might go with it. I don't know, but yeah. Tell me what you guys think. So yeah. I do like how comfortable and big the bed is, and I feel like I can stretch real good in it, and it has a lot of space. But yeah, I don't know. It's okay. But this is the Volvo. What y'all think about this though? It's alright. It's okay. I don't know. It's alright, but I do like the space in here. So today I just got my first load. This is my first flatbed load. I'm gonna be headed to Los Angeles, California, and after that I'm gonna be taking my hometown in Houston, Texas. So you guys, wish me luck. This is how the outside of the truck looks. This is the beautiful view. Where they keep the chains and all that, all the equipment that I'm gonna need, so when I start getting the load and things like that, all that, and yeah, it's where they keep all the stuff. So about to head out now. See you guys later.